Today we have all gathered here for the discussion of the burning issue, pollution. We live in the environment. It includes plants, animals, birds, land, air, everything. We are enjoying every entity of the environment. But it is environment is such that everything is in its calculated and set format. But when we human beings alter the environment, it becomes pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. The harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollution may be natural or human due to human activity. Pollution due to natural, that is naturally occurring pollution is very less amount. For example, volcanic ash, it occurs very rarely. But most 99% of the pollution occurs due to the human activities. There are mainly three types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. And some other types of are there. They are noise pollution, light, plastic and radioactivity pollutions. First let us see air pollution. We told that pollution is the introduction of the harmful materials into the environment. When these harmful materials are introduced into the air, we call this as air pollution. That is contamination of the air due to the presence of the substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of not only human being but all living things. Main cause of the air pollution is the vehicle emissions and industrial waste. Nowadays in a home, if there are 4 persons, they are not using only one car or one bike. Almost 4 people are having the vehicles. So unnecessary we say that we have no time. But if we decide to avoid the air pollution or any hazard to the environment, that will be reduced. But all people and almost all people are using vehicles, so that vehicle emission is going to cause the air pollution. And also the industrial waste. They are emitting many gases which are harmful to the atmosphere. Mainly these contents include sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. In India, Delhi is most highly polluted city. If we go to Delhi and observe, we cannot observe the more than around 20-30 feet distance objects. So much Delhi atmosphere is polluted. And we heard that Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal has having high. That is not his problem, but we heard that Delhi people are having many health problems. That is mainly due to the air pollution. Effects. Air pollution causes coughing, sneezing, difficulty in breathing, eye irritation, nose and throat irritation, headache, dizziness, asthma and fatigue. You might have observed when you have gone to Bangalore, if we are traveling through buses, we have to travel for hours together, 1 hour, 2 hours. Then due to the heavy traffic and pollution, we feel dizziness and headache. That is very common. Nowadays, you might have heard that oxygen parlor means in metropolitan cities they are going to the room is there, they are comfortably sitting to get only the pure oxygen. See the situation where it has come. How to control the air pollution? First, we should avoid each and everybody using our vehicles. We should use the public vehicle so that it can be to some extent pollution can be controlled. And if we are using our own vehicles, our vehicle should be kept in good condition so that emission is not very meager amount. Don't burn the garbages. It is routine practice that in villages and also cities, in the early morning and evening, they are going to groom and burn the garbages. It also adds to the pollution. And use the public vehicles, drive your cars less means we should use the public vehicles. Best and only ways is to grow more and more trees. Next, let us come to the water pollution. We said that pollution is the introduction of the harmful materials into the environment. If the harmful materials are introduced to the water, we call this as a water pollution. That is contamination of the water sources by the substances which make water unfit for drinking, use of the cooking, cleaning and other domestic activities. Here in water pollution, usually pollutants are chemicals, industrial waste, plastic, fertilizers, sewage and oil spills. What happens? Most of the, it is one of the important cause for the disease in the human being. Most of the diseases in our human beings are due to the water. 80% of stomach diseases are due to the water. That is, they are called waterborne diseases. Contaminated water cause cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, TB, jaundice, etc. We think about ourselves, but this water pollution is also going to cause many diseases to the aquatic plants and animals. In newspaper, we read about the fish and aquatic living things which are dying and coming over the sea level and river bank. That is due to the polluted water. How to reduce the water pollution? Most of the industries and factories are on the bank of the river. It is impossible to control that there is wastage is left in the river, but proper disposal mechanism should be used so that very less damages occurs to the water. Don't pour the oils and grease into the water sources. So, usually farmers use the fertilizers, pesticides and oils, and later they throw the bottle into the river or the water sources. And don't throw the waste in the water. Don't overuse the pesticides and fertilizers. Don't flush the plastic, medicine waste, etc. into the water. And third one is soil pollution. That is, introduction of the harmful materials into the soil is called soil pollution. That is, contamination of the soil with toxic substances. In the soil pollution, pollutants are factory waste, hospital drones, and which are dumped on the land. What happens? That is effects of soil pollution. It affects the biodiversity of soil and imbalance in the soil nutrients. And also decrease the soil fertility. Contaminants in the soil can directly enter the human body and also indirectly enter the human body. What happens? Through nose, mouth, skin, these harmful materials enter the human body. Later they cause headache, cough, chest pain, skin irritation, etc. You might have observed the situation in KGF film about the air pollution, soil pollution, and people working in that situation are very unhealthy.